Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look on the euro currency. So you can see euro stands in a row with the trading plan that we discussed. In our weekly report we said this market stands into resistance and probably some respect of this level could happen and we should get some pullback on the intraday charts. And there we have set few levels that we intend to consider for possible taking the long position. Because you can see the trend stands bullish on the daily. On the monthly chart, we've got two grabbers side by side. Also, yesterday, now a forum, Michael said that we also have the grabber on the quarterly dollar index chart, not only on the monthly, but on the quarterly time frame. So it's also very, very important. And but this is long term, guys. This perspective in the long term. So maybe some reversal here indeed could happen. In the shorter term, we need to consider two possible levels. First of all, it's one the market is coming to, is 109, is confidence support on intraday charts. It's first level that we discussed, and preferably, it will be preferable for bullish context if market will be able to hold here and turning up. If this will not happen and somehow market still drop below it, well, in this case we have the reserved scenario. Let's take a look here. You could see some symmetry of the price action. It's difficult to call as a hand and shoulders or something of that sort because it stands not at the bottom, it stands somewhere just in the middle of the picture. But by the price action, you can see that if market will follow some harmony, it means that it could drop somewhere to this 107.75, 108 area, the bottom stands, and there this will be next level where we consider possible reversal. If in this case as well, market will not show any bullish signs. That tells us that short-term bullish context has not been realized and market could start dropping again. But, well, currently, as market stands at the first level, we will focus on this level. So trend stands bullish on the daily. On the 4-hour time frame chart, that's the level that we have specified previously in the weekly report, if you remember. This is our hand shoulders pattern. Neckline, we see the acceleration here to the upside, and we said that we considered two levels. That was the first level. Here was minor reaction. You can see major level stands right here, as we said. That's confidence support accompanied by the former neckline. That is well, let's call it as the perfect level for turning up for any bullish scenario. So if euro will follow to this scenario, that will be just perfect because market after OP showing 30% pullback, retesting confidence, retesting the neckline and turning up. So that's the first level where we consider taking the long position. Why this level is attractive? Because currently, guys, here you could place very tight stop. So market stands right at the bottom, right at the confidence, and with a few pips below it, you just could place the stop. If market will break it down, the loss will be very small, and we will get clarity that market is standing lower. In this case, we will keep watching for these lows. As I said, this will be approximately around 107.80 area. That makes overall situation not very difficult. On the hourly chart, let's see what we have. We have this ABC top pattern. Well, it's very small BC leg, but still it stands above the 3x3 C point, stands above the 3x3, and that's why we could consider it. Market right now is forming the COP agreement with the confidence support, and here we have the butterfly. So that is 1.7 butterfly. Now market is coming to the 1618, which is 1.83. So this is very, well, small context for possible position taken. The one thing that I do not like here, guys, is some pressure. So I do not like this one. This one and that's one as well. So it's too straightforward, it's too fast for retracements. Actually, market by this drop is raised, is rally. That's why, well, that the thing that makes me a bit worry on the perspective of this scenario. From that standpoint, here you have the choice whether to try to take position right here or wait for a confirmation. And probably in the current circumstances, it would be a better decision to wait for a confirmation. What I mean, since market already is flirting with the major level, we could get and wait for a major reaction on it. For example, if market will start upward action, will form here a bullish reversal pattern. This could be minor hand and shoulders, for example, something of that sort. That will give us more confidence the market indeed turning up, and it makes position taking process simpler. So we do not need to catch the falling knife here, because currently at this moment we hope that market will turn up, but we're catching the falling knife because we do not have the bullish reversal pattern, and this sell-off is not very good. So if it will be gradual action, I would say that, well, we probably could buy directly from the confluence. But in current circumstances, it makes sense to get for a reversal pattern. If we will not get any reversal pattern here, well, in this case, we'll just market continue dropping. So, speaking in Napoli terms, I call for using Minesweeper entry tactic. It suggests the starting of the pullback up from the level and then taking the position in some minor retracement. That's the idea. When the major level already confirmed by reversal, and you're taking position on the minor pullback. That's the idea on euro currency currently. But both approaches are possible. So if you would like to take position right now, it's also possible. Anyway, whatever way we will choose for position taking, the initial stop should be below this area. So that's what we have currently on euro currency. Let's see what will happen around this level, where the market will turn up. And we'll be watching for the week how this particular scenario is developing on euro currency.